Oh my God, what has Bitcoin done? What is going on with Bitcoin? It is insane, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
I invested £25,000. Today, that investment is worth £5 million.
Say hello to our hero, the Hydrogen Energy Release Optimizer. Limitless power, zero emissions.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I'm recording this on Tuesday the 14th of March at 17:50 hours UTC. I meant to do this video earlier, but I've had other appointments and other videos that I'm recording, so make sure you do subscribe and follow me on Twitter, Crypto Rich YT, join my official Telegram announcements channel, and please, see where I'm pointing, bit.ly/Crypto Rich Odyssey. Subscribe to me there, sign up at Odyssey, it's completely free, no KYC. And if you sign up to Odyssey, you may even earn a little bit of crypto just for watching videos. And I post stuff on Odyssey that I don't post on YouTube because YouTube is a little bit sensitive, and you hear me say that many, many times. So please do subscribe and comment, like. So this is what is happening with Bitcoin right now. And this is the price chart, the 4-hourly price chart on CoinMarketCap. And, like a few days ago, Bitcoin dipped to as low as $19,000 at one point. And it all looked like, oh my God, it's all over. We're going to dip even further. And everybody was upset, including myself. And when bull market, when massive run. And then the bank started collapsing. Not, one by one. And I think that's just going to keep rolling out. And if you want to know more about it, then please do watch out for my video. In fact, let me just show you. So this is my Odyssey channel, and this interview that I recorded with Tom Luongo a couple of days ago, I put out a 9-minute, 51-second portion of it on YouTube, and that's where Tom did some really great Bitcoin analysis, and he said, look, it's looking kind of bullish, but you're going to have to watch that. But if you're on YouTube, then you wouldn't have seen the whole conversation where we talk about what's happening with the banks, what Tom does, and gives his really smart insight and analysis. So do go and check that out. And while I'm here, there's also this video on Pirate Chain. I give you an update on Pirate Chain. This video not on YouTube because YouTube not like. And this one, the best way to keep your crypto safe. Yeah, so go and watch this one, because that little bit of Bitcoin that you bought, I don't know, you bought $1,000 worth a couple of years ago or a few months ago. Who knows what it's going to be worth in a few years' time. So you want to make sure that you keep the seed phrase safe. And in this video, I explain how. But this one is all about the banking collapse, which I think is going to keep rolling out. And Bitcoin is doing what it's designed to do, which is to offer us a decentralized alternative to the corrupt fiat currency banking system. So the banks start collapsing and Bitcoin starts pumping. Well, of course it does, because people are looking for safety. So we have had Bitcoin break through the $25,000 resistance. And if you see here, right, that goes back to, let's have a look on the daily chart. Let's start with the weekly chart. So have a quick look. By the way, and none of this is trading advice. You want to do your own due diligence and your own research and stuff, right? But if you are interested in trading, I've got my BitGet link in the description below, which gives you, deposit a certain amount of funds, and then you get a certain amount of funds from BitGet to support you. And that is something that I am now doing. I have now started trading, but I'm not going to tell you the trades because I don't want you copying me and following me, because I don't, I'm a beginner here. I'm still trying it out, and I'm doing very, very small trades with 2x leverage just to get going. But actually, I will tell you this. I placed a trade on the weekend, right? And it was a $20 trade at 2x leverage. I had a stop loss and a take profit. And it hit my profit target, and I made the grand sum of 13 cents. Well, hey, here we come. So anyway, don't follow me. But I can read charts. So let's have a look what we got here, right? So this pink band here, or this pink orangey band on the weekly, is a major sign of a band of resistance and support. It just hasn't broken through it for a while. And it's not been above 25,000 since, when is that? That looks like June. Yeah, 13th of June, when the price dropped below 25,000. So this is major resistance. And what's happened here is that Bitcoin did touch. Let's have a look. What does it say here? This is CoinTrader, by the way, which is a free application. So it reached a high of, looking at the top, 26,380, and then it's gone back down. But definitely, it's broken out of this trading range at 25,000. And let's have a look on the daily. Move me out the way. Here you go on the daily, and look at that. Look at that. 4 days, 4 green candles in a row. Little pump here, big pump, and a big pump here. Now, it's what we want is for it to close above, certainly above 25,000, right? Which is the first time it's going to do. It'll have done that since back in June. And it looks like I want it to close above 26,000 as well. But where is Bitcoin going to go? Well, of course it's going to go to the moon, but it does depend upon your time scale. And if I zoom out on the daily, you can see it's broken this blue trend line, which goes all the way back to March 2022, which was, when was that? That was over a year ago. That was a year ago, and it's broken through, and it hasn't retraced it. And on the daily, it's broken through the 200 EMA, which is very, very nice, very bullish. And there is going to be retracement and correction. It may be even a little while here below 26,000 because of the psychological effect of 26,000. Not quite oversold on the RSI, so it's still got, it could still go up a little bit. And I know Carl the Moon says that there's an inverse head and shoulders, which I can't actually see. I'm not saying it isn't there, but I saw one of his tweets, and I do recommend you follow him on Twitter. But I think the next stop is going to be around 27,000. 27,000. And I have placed a trade on BitGet, and let's see how that goes, right? And I've kept the take profit open so I can just ride this, and I do have a stop loss, and I'll keep moving that up, and it's only a $20 trade. Actually, no, no, it's a $13 trade, because I'm starting off small. Okay, so let's have a look on the 4-hourly. You always want to start with the larger time frames and then move into the smaller time frames, get more granular to see what happens. So it's broken through this ascending triangle and big pump up, and then it's broken through these EMAs here on the 4-hourly, and now it looks like this trend line. So we could get a retracement, which is all the way back at about 25,000, which kind of makes sense. And then it bounce back up, if it does go that low, to 25,000, bounce back up, and maybe go along this line for a while before it breaks through. But I don't see why, certainly looking at what's happening in terms of the economy and the fundamental factors, I think it's looking very, very bullish. I mean, do you really, really want to keep your money in a bank? Because there's going to be more and more banking collapses, more and more fragility in the financial sector. So we'll see how that goes. So let me know what you think. I'm going to do more TA videos so we can see how that works out. And I think that's it. Between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with Bitcoin profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye. Oh, and please do subscribe, and please do comment, and please do like, and do so on Odyssey. All the best. Bye-bye.